Hey, this is how I did a deep cleaning on my Broan bathroom ceiling fan. Check it out. And you can see how dirty it is from the moisture and dust accumulation around it. But what I'm going to do is go ahead and take the light cover off. So I'm just going to go ahead and pry it off a little bit like this. And real careful not to break anything. It's coming loose. Clean all that up real good. And now we're going to go ahead and loosen that nut up right there. Oh man, that one needs it bad. That is nasty. So now, this thing's just kind of hanging on there. Got that off there. I can go get that cleaned up and then I'll disconnect that piece right there. It just unplugs right here. Go ahead and use this wire brush and shop vac at the same time and clean it all out. Okay, now we'll go ahead and clean this out real good. Scrub that all down so it looks new. Now I'm just going to put the whole thing back together. Got it all cleaned out in there. And I got this all wiped down real good and cleaned out. Took a wire brush to the back side of it. And I took this off and hand washed it too. Hand washed it and dried it. Got all the crap out of there. And then for reassembly, I just made sure I just slid this back up in there. I'm holding it together with my thumb there. I'm gonna go ahead and drive that fastener up there with these two together as a unit. But first I'm gonna plug that in. Got that plugged back in. Got this thing ready to go.